Okay, we're doing a card trick. It's called Subway, Mr. Thompson. Pay close attention. I'm going to do the trick, then I'll explain how to do it. First off, we take off card selected near the top. Stop right here. This card will be yours. The 8 of clubs, okay? Take the 8 of clubs, jog it forward. Deal down the rest of the cards. Keep going. Stop near the bottom. Flip over these 2 cards. It doesn't really matter what they are, just that they are flipped over. Then, we will take the cards, half of the deck this way, half the deck this way. Push your card in, shake it around, push these cards in, your card comes out on the other side, in between the 5 and the 3. Now, I'll show you how it's done. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There is no setup for this trick. It's called Subway. It's very, very easy. The pattern has to do with, you can either talk about a Subway, or you can just talk about the magic of your hands. And so, the different patterns really don't matter, but I'm going to go through the technique of it. So, thumb off the cards from your left hand to your right hand, dealing them in, and you're going to stop somewhere near the top 15, top 20. You don't want to go down too far, because then you're going to have way too many cards in one hand. And you don't want to stop too much near the top, or else you're not going to be able to do the move without people seeing it. So, stop somewhere a little bit close to the top, and you're going to want to stop like this. So, get really close. You can see that I have these 2 cards, or these 3 cards right here, spread out pretty equidistant. And when I go up, you see that I have my hand across all the cards. What's going to be happening is I show you your card, so your card's the 5 of spades. This is what's going to happen. So I'm going to take this card and I'm going to jog it forward. So I get my thumb and I'm going to go down like this and I'm going to jog forward the second card. But it's going to be done in one smooth motion, so it's going to look like this. And jog your card forward. So I have my thumb on your card, but then I jog the second one forward and go down. So what happens again is that you think that I would jog this one forward and keep going. What I really do, what you think I jog this one forward, keep going, but what really happens is I go like this, I jog this one forward, go under it, and start dealing cards under like this, keeping your card on the bottom of the deck. Now I go down somewhere in the middle of the pack. Remember, your card still here, not being dealt with. Take it, go near the bottom of the deck. I'd say near the top, near the bottom 20 cards would be good. Bottom 10 maybe. Flip over 2 cards, it doesn't matter which ones they are. Flip it over like this, Joker and a King, doesn't matter. What you're going to do right now is thumb off the Joker to your right hand, and you're going to push the selected card in between those 2. So what's going to happen is you're going to out-jog them this way. So you're going to say, okay, I'm going to put the Joker and the King this way, and you're going to push the Joker out, push the 5 under, and push the Joker under like this. So now you're making a sandwich with the Joker and the King. And it goes in the middle like this. So now, if you look at it like this, this is the random card that I jogged forward and that was your card. In between the 2 random cards I flipped over is your selected card. And now we're going to do we finish the trick up. So we push all the cards together, make it all square and look nice. So what's going to look like is random card out jogged near the top of the deck, 2 face up cards near the bottom. What you're going to do right now is you're going to turn it this way. You're going to take off half the deck with your left hand. So the left hand is going to take away the dummy card, and the right hand is going to take away the 2 cards that are face up, but have your selected card in between them. So what's going to happen is then you do the magic transposition. So you can do it at the same time or do it at once. The magic of the 2 cards that are face up is that if you push down and out, your card itself will only come out the other end. So if you time it right, then you can push it at the same time and they both come out. So I'll show you what that looks like in real time. Like this. Alright, so we got these 2 cards, and I'm going to show you at the same time. Alright, this is the pattern. Alright, so this is your card, these are the 2 cards that are going to catch your card. There's an invisible subway between my hands. Watch. I push, and it comes out the other side. And this is the part where it's up to you what to do. But I like to push the cards together like this. The deck that was in my right hand goes on top of the deck that was in my left hand. Push the cards, square them up, and then thumb over from the left to right to reveal the card that's in between the 2 face-up cards. Now again, we'll go through it once, full speed. Have a card selected, stop, show them the card, Then you're going to, again, thumb off the opposite card while moving down. So the motion that's going to hide you hiding this card is this big motion down. So the bigger motion hides the smaller motion. Then you start thumbing cards over, keeping their selected card on the bottom. Say, pick 2 cards near the bottom. They say stop. I pick these 2 cards. I'm going to put the selected card in between there and out jog them. So now that 2 random cards, selected card, dummy card, and the selected card is in between the 2 face-up cards, then you're going to again say, okay, there's a magical subway between my hands, push down, didn't come out the other side, my bad, and then you show them the card in between the 8 and the 9. So, if you have any questions, let me know. Besides that, there's 4 more tricks you need to know that I'll be sending you in a couple minutes, or a couple days. I'm kind of busy. Give me a second. Alright, stop.